Life is not always sunshine. Storms come, hearts break, dreams collapse. But here's the truth. Your attitude in the storm decides who you become after it. Most people believe positivity means ignoring pain. That's wrong. True positivity is not denial. It is strength. It's the ability to stand tall in the middle of chaos and say, "This will not break me." And today I will share with you 4 life-changing rules to stay positive even in the darkest times. Rules that can transform pain into power, weakness into strength, and doubt into clarity. Keep watching, because these lessons can change the way you live, the way you think, and even the way you speak English every single day. Welcome back to this channel, a place where we share life lessons, personal growth, and real inspiration through powerful stories. Every video is not just motivation, it is a tool for growth and a way to improve your mindset in your English at the same time. So if you believe in growth, if you want to become stronger and wiser, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs hope today. Now let's begin. When bad times hit, most people react in the wrong way. They complain. They blame others. They say, "Why me?" At work, when failure happens, many give up. In friendships, when trust breaks, they close their hearts. In life, when dreams collapse, they stop dreaming. But here is the danger. Negativity becomes a habit. And that habit destroys your confidence, your relationships, and even your health. If you don't learn how to stay positive in difficult times, life will always control you. You will always be a victim, never a master of your destiny. But imagine this instead. You lose your job, but you gain clarity. You face heartbreak, but you discover your strength. You fall down, but you rise higher. That is the power of positivity in bad times. It doesn't remove pain, it transforms it. So here are 4 rules that will change how you face your darkest days. Rule 1, control your words. Your words create your world. When you say, "I can't handle this," your mind believes it. When you say, "This is a lesson," your mind becomes stronger. Think of Nelson Mandela. He spent 27 years in prison. Every day was dark, but he refused to fill his heart with bitterness. Instead, he used words of hope, words of vision. And when he was finally free, he led his nation to freedom. If Mandela had chosen negative words, his story would have ended in silence. But his choice of words built a legacy. So start today. Replace "why me" with "try me." Replace "this is the end" with "this is the beginning." Rule 2, focus on one good thing. When everything feels wrong, find one thing that is still right. It may be small, your health, a friend, or even the simple fact that you are still alive. There's a story of Viktor Frankl, a man who survived the Nazi concentration camps. He lost his family, his freedom, his health. But he focused on one thing, the meaning of life. He said, "Everything can be taken from a man, but one thing, the last of the human freedoms, to choose one's attitude." That one focus gave him the strength to live. If you ignore this rule, your eyes will only see darkness. But if you practice it, you will always find light, even in the deepest night. Rule 3, use pain as fuel. Pain can destroy you or build you. It depends on how you use it. Think of Thomas Edison. He failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Each failure was painful, but he used it as fuel. He once said, "I did not fail 1,000 times. I found 1,000 ways that did not work." Your pain can be the same. If you ignore it, it becomes poison. If you use it, it becomes power. So the next time life hurts you, don't just cry. Ask, what is this pain teaching me? That question turns wounds into wisdom. Rule 4. Surround yourself with hope. Bad times feel worse when you walk alone. Negativity grows when you only listen to negative voices. That's why you must surround yourself with people, books, and even videos that lift you higher. Look at the story of Helen Keller. She was deaf and blind, trapped in silence and darkness. But with the help of her teacher, Anne Sullivan, she found light through education and love. Her life proves that hope shared is hope multiplied. If you stay alone in negativity, you sink. But if you walk with hope, you rise. Now let's look deeper. Why do most people fail to stay positive? It is not because life is too hard. It is because of fear. Fear of failure. Fear of rejection. Fear of pain never ending. But here is the truth. Fear is only a story your mind tells you, and stories can be rewritten. When you choose positivity, you are not ignoring reality. You are rewriting the story. You are saying, yes, life is hard, but I am harder. Yes, life hurts, but I will heal stronger. This is not just a mindset, it is a habit. And like learning English, the more you practice it, the stronger it becomes. These are not just survival tools. They are growth tools. They transform you into someone unshakable. Remember this: diamonds are made under pressure, and so are strong human beings. Let me end with a story. There was once a farmer whose horse ran away. Everyone said, "Bad luck." The next day the horse returned with 5 wild horses. Everyone said, "Good luck." Later, the farmer's son broke his leg while riding one of the horses. Everyone said, "Bad luck." Soon after, soldiers came to the village to take young men to war, but the son was left behind because of his broken leg. Life is the same. What looks bad today may be a blessing tomorrow. So I ask you, will you complain about your storm, or will you dance in the rain? Your growth begins with the stories you listen to, the habits you build, and the lessons you apply every day. Stay strong, stay positive, and remember, bad times do not last, but strong people do.